Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox jump button bigger. Many players find a larger jump button improves their gameplay, offering better control and accuracy. We'll go through the simple steps to customize your user interface, ensuring you can easily hit that jump button every time. This quick adjustment can significantly enhance your overall gaming experience, making movement more fluid and responsive. First, launch Roblox and join any game experience you like. Once you're in the game, look for the Roblox icon, often represented by a small R or 3 horizontal lines, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open the main in-game menu. From the options presented, select Settings to proceed to the Customization area, where we can begin our adjustments. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Display or Accessibility tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled UI Scale or sometimes Button Size. This feature allows you to adjust the overall size of your in-game interface elements. Simply drag the slider to the right to increase the size of your jump button. You should see the button grow larger in real time as you make your adjustments. Once you've adjusted the UI scale to your liking, simply exit the Settings menu to return to your game. Now, immediately test out your newly enlarged jump button. Take a few jumps to ensure the size feels comfortable and improves your gameplay. If it's not quite right, you can always go back into the settings and fine-tune the UI scale further. Enjoy your improved control and easier jumping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.